Hello, my name is Komal Parman. We are presenting Netflix content recommendation algorithm. We are just two people in the group. So, what's the Netflix content recommendation algorithm? So, Netflix, founded in 1997, has transferred from DVD rental service a global streaming giants, boasting over 200 million paid membership across 190 countries. So, its extensive library offers a diverse range of TV series, documentaries, and features films in multiple language and generations. So, this presentation delves into the insidies of Netflix recommendation algorithm, exploring its impact on user satisfaction, engagement, and the company's overall success. So, what's the Netflix recommendation algorithm? So, nowadays we are just all people are using the Netflix and we are just watching the movies, series, documentaries. We can find it anything, like we can get the information from the Netflix. So, however, it is so good in nowadays. So, that's what we are just discussing about the other slides. Okay. So now we are going to talk about Netflix business model. So there are two types of Netflix business model, the subscription-based model and the role of personalization. So first is the subscription-based model. So Netflix revenue model relies on a subscription-based approach, offering a various streaming plans with verified features and pricing. So there are different prices and different features when you will get the like subscription. You will have the features and then pricing list and then the data management and then the other things as well. So subscribers pay a monthly fee for access to unlimited content. Yeah, of course. Like they are just paying for 1 month or 2 months, and sometimes people are according to their approaches, like for the 1 year as well. So they just do it and then get the unlimited content and the movies and everything. So free of traditional commercial interruptions. Yeah. They'll enjoy a lot after getting the subscription. Yeah. This model empowers users to explore a vast library of entertainment without restrictions. Yeah, when you will get a subscription, there is no ad or anything. You will just get the entertainment without restrictions, forecasting a sense of value and convenience. Yep. The second is role of personalization. So personalization lies at the heart of Netflix business strategy by understanding individual user preferences. So this is gonna be described by understanding individual user preferences. So the platform is tailored content recommendation, creating a personalized viewing experience that aligns with taste and interest. Okay, interest. This personalization strategy is crucial for driving users engagement. So there is something similar which is like subscription based model and role of personalization, just a bit difference on it. So we are just moving for the third slide. So now we are going to talking about importance of personalization. So firstly, let's discuss enhancing user experience. So personalization is at the heart of creating an energetic and tailored viewing experience. By predicting and anticipating user preferences, platforms like Netflix can offer recommendations that truly resonate with individual tasks. So this not may leads to greater user satisfaction, but also encourages users to spend more time on the platform. And now we are moving to the business impact. So in business impact, effective personalization doesn't just improve user experience, but it also translates directly into positive business outcomes. Like when users are more engaged, they consume more content, which boost viewership numbers. So this increase in engagement contribution to improve retention rates, a reduction in churn. So ultimately, all of these factors benefits the company's revenue and growth. So now we are going to talk about the challenges in content personalization. So it's essential to address two key areas like serving a diverse global audience and the other is managing the data of scale. So let's first talk about the challenges of catering to a diverse global audience. So serving users from various culture and regional backgrounds is no small feat. Viewer preference, habits, and even the language can differ significantly from the one geographic location to another. Yeah, of course. This diversity necessitates approach to personalization, ensuring that content resonates with everyone, regardless of their culture content. And the second is we consider the scale of the data involved in this process. So platform like Netflix handle an
immense volume of data generated by millions of users engaging with thousands of the hours in the content. So this sheer volume requires the infrastructure of the considerable processing power to analyze the data effectively. So only then can we extract meaningful insights that drive successful personalization. So now I want to address the impact of inaccurate recommendations in content areas. So first is user dissatisfaction and the financial implementation. So firstly, let's consider user dissatisfaction. When user receive recommendation that do not align with their tastes, it can lead to a feelings of disappointments and frustration as well. So this disconnection can significantly reduce user engagement, the engagement and they spend on the time of the platform, so ultimately affecting their overall experience as well. And the second is the attention to the financial implementation of poor personalization. So irrelevant recommendation can result in reduced viewership, which in turn can lead to lower subscription renewals and declining revenue. So in today's highly competitively market, falling a deliver personalization experience not only risk losing subscribers but can also have a determination impact on the company's growth and the yes company's personalization as well. So the next slide is discuss various data collection methods that are essential for understanding user preference and enhancing content personalization. So these methods focus on the key data points that provides valuable insights into viewer behavior. So we have such kind of data like viewing history, search queries, rating and reviews, and pause and the rewind events in the device usage. So firstly, we have viewing the history. So this includes data such as the content watched, the duration of viewing, and the time of the day when user engage with the platform. And the second is we look at the search queries. So these are terms users search within the platform, providing us with the different insight into their interest and the preferences. The third one is important data point is rating and the reviewing. So this is the most important point, like user feedback on the content through rating and the reviewing helps us to judge satisfaction level and understand what resonate with our audience. So next is pause and the rewind events. So tracking user engagement with specific senses and segments allow us to identify which parts of the content capture attention and the drive interest. And the lastly, we collect the data on the device usage. So knowing the device users use as a access the platform, whether it is a TV, laptop, or a mobile phone, helps us to optimize the viewing experience for each platform. So now we are going to talk about the algorithm used in the content recommendation, focusing on two primary methods, collaborative filtering and the content-based filtering. So first, let's explore collaborative filtering. This method analyzes user preferences by comparing the taste of the other user. Essentially, if two users are rate many of the same showing highly, the system assume that they share similar preferences. Second is we have the content-based filtering. So, unlike collaborative flirting, this technique focused on the characteristics of the content itself. So, examine attribution this such as the genre, director, cast, and themes make informed recommendations. For instance, if a user enjoy action adventure films featuring like specific director, the algorithm will suggest the other movies that the same the qualities. By analyzing this enhance attributes of this content, this method provides user with a suggestion that aligns closely with their established interest. So now we are going to talk about inciting into a technology infrastructure that underpin Netflix operation, focusing on the two keys as well. So it's cloud-based platform and the data warehousing and analysis. So let's gonna first about the cloud-based platform. So Netflix has a built robust infrastructure primarily hosted Amazon Web Service. So this infrastructure provides the scalability and flexibility necessity to manage its expensive operations seamlessly across the globe. So next is we have the data warehousing and the analysis. So Netflix employ advanced data warehousing solution to ensure deficient data storage, processing, and analysis capabilities. So this powerful infrastructure is essential for handling it volumes of the data generated by millions of users. These capabilities, Netflix can divide comprehensive insight to make informed decisions that drive personalization and the improve user experience. So now we are moving to the strategy alignment with business goals. So strategic goals and the continuous improvement. So first is Netflix recommendation system is increasingly designed to align with the strategic business objectives. And the second is continuous improvement. So Netflix continuously tests in the refined recommendation algorithm through A/B testing and the machine learning models. So this will be my last slide, evolution of Netflix algorithms. So we have the three types of algorithms like star rating, thumbs up and down, and user machine learning and AI. So now we are first going to talk about star rating. Netflix early feedback system relied on a detailed star rating system, allowing user to provide generally feedback or content. Like if the person liking the series or anything, they are just getting to give them a star like 1 to 10. And second is thumbs up and thumbs down. To streamline feedback collection, Netflix shifted a simplified thumbs up or down system. This is more accessible. Like if you wanna like it or anything, if you wanna dislike it, that's it straight away. So third is use of machine learning and the AI. So this integration of AI, advanced machine learning technologies has been a significant factor in evolution of the Netflix algorithm. So next whole slide will be gonna described by my colleague. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Umang and I am continuing this presentation. Optimizing Netflix recommendation on engine. Netflix, a global leader in the streaming entertainment, relies heavily on its recommendation algorithm to drive user engagement and satisfaction. This presentation explores strategy of enhancing the accuracy and personalization of Netflix recommendation system, considering ethical consideration and emerging technologies. In this slide, we are discussing about the enhancing algorithm accuracy. First one is the integrated drivers data sources, advanced machine learning technique, and real-time feedback and adaptation. In the integrated drivers data sources, leveraging the drivers data sources beyond the traditional watch history can significantly enhance recommendation accuracy. Incorporately, social media activity, external reviews, and even sentiment analysis from the online discussion can provide a valuable insights into user preference and interest, potentially leading to the more trial road recommendation. And in advanced machine learning techniques, employ more sophisticated machine learning algorithm can further improve the recommendation system accuracy. Techniques like deep learning and reinforcement learning can help model complex user behavior and preference, leading to more nuisance and personalized recommendation. In the last one, real-time feedback and adaptation. Implementing real-time feedback mechanisms such as the ratings and content complexity grades can allow the algorithm to adapt to user preference in real time. In the dynamic approach can provide more personalized recommendations that are sensitive to evolving user taste and preference. In this slide, we are discussing about the improving user interface for better personalization. First one, granular content filtering, allowing user to refine their content preference through the granular filters such as the grand, subgrams, language, and release year can enable more precise content discovery. Second one, multiple user profiles. Implementing multiple user profiles within a single account can effectively capture individual taste within the household, resulting in a more targeted recommendation for each user. Third one, personalized watch list, enabling uh, user to create a personalized watch list with the specific content preference can help streamline content discovery and enhance the overall user experience. Last one is uh, interactive content discovery, introducing interactive element like the like and dislike button during the content browsing can provide the algorithm with valuable real-time feedback on user preference, leading to the more accurate recommendation. In this slide, we are discussing about the ethical consideration in the personalization, data privacy and security. Ensuring the data collection practice comply with the global privacy standard like GDPR is the paramount. Transparent disclosure of the data uses policy and user control over the data access are crucial for building trust and maintaining ethical data practice. Avoiding algorithmic biases, addressing potential biases in recommendation algorithm is crucial to avoid uh, perpetuating steroid and ensuring fairness and diversity in content visibility, implementing mechanism to mitigate biases and promote inclusive in recommendation is ethical. Transparency and user choice. In this, transparency is how the algorithm work and provide user with control over their personalized experience are vital for ethical data uses. Users should have the option to opt out for personalized recommendation or adjust the algorithm behavior to align with their preference. In this slide, we are discussing about the future of recommendation. First one, generative AI for personalized content. Emerging generative AI technologies have a potential to create a synthetic media tailored to individual preference, including customized content recommendation based on their mood and context. This could create a truly immersive and personalized entertainment experience. It's integrative of virtual reality. VR could offer a transformative approach to content consumption, providing a new data point for personalized recommendation. VR environment can capture user interaction and personalize within the immersive experience, leading to more accuracy and contextual recommendation. Third one is the personalized content creation. AI powered tool could enable user to create personalized content, enhancing their engagement and satisfaction. User could contribute to storylines, choose characters, or even generate their own unique narratives, fostering a deeper connection within the content. This slide present about the summary of the recommendation. We are discussed about the in the previous slides data drivers, data sources, advanced machine learning, real-time feedbacks, granular content filtering, multiple user profile, personalized watch list, interactive content discovery, data privacy and sensitivity, avoiding the algorithmic basis, transparency and user choice, generative AI for personalized content, and in the last, the virtual reality. These are some topics for the recommendation to improve the recommendation system for the Netflix. In the conclusion, continuous improvement, continuous enhancing the recommendation algorithm is crucial for maintaining Netflix market leadership in the streaming industry by embracing technological advancement by prioritizing user experience. Netflix can continue to deliver high relevant and emerging content to the global audience. Strategic to importance, personalized recommendation are cornerstone of Netflix success. By leveraging data-driven instinct and innovation technologies, Netflix can maintain the competitive edge and adapt to the evolving landscape of streaming entertainment. Future outlook. The future of the content personalization holds the exciting possibilities driven by advancement in AI, VR, and user-generated content. By staying ahead the curve and embracing ethical practice, Netflix can continue to shape the future of entertainment. In the last, future outlook and implication. As AI and machine learning continue to evolve, content personalization technology will become more sophisticated, offering unpredictable levels of customization. This will likely lead to a more tailored and emerging entertainment experience for user, potentially implementing user behavior and preference. However, it is important to address the ethical and social implementation of increasingly personalized media consumption, particularly concerning the data privacy, potential biases, and impact on culture diversity.